Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to do a chemistry multiple choice question from the November 2019 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question deals with the difference between strength and concentration of acids and bases. It says that water is added to a 0.01 mol per dm cubed solution of hydrochloric acid. We are then asked to describe the change in strength and the change in concentration of the acid as the water is added. To answer this question, you need to recall the difference between the strength of an acid and the concentration of an acid. The strength of an acid refers to the extent of ionization in solution, and this is specific to the type of acid. The concentration of an acid refers to the number of ions in 1 decimeter cubed of water. So let's look at our options. Since the only change that is made is the addition of water, the strength of the acid does not change, since it is specific to the acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, and it remains a strong acid regardless of its concentration. So we can narrow our choices down to A and B. Now, the concentration of the acid is the number of hydrochloric acid ions in solution. Since the number of ions of hydrochloric acid remains the same, but the amount of water increases, this means that the concentration of the acid will decrease. This makes our answer B. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.